Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the project Mirai token. Now this token has a huge market cap right now. It's up 57% today. 24-hour trading volume is $2.4 million. And this is a brand new token that just got a very big central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Mirai_terminal. And it's got AI right in the name because this is an AI-based project. And it says contract address, and it has that listed right there, so you can easily find the contract address on this Twitter there. There's a blue verified check mark, 45 tweets. It says project buy, and then it has two other X's, two other Twitter links that you could check out there, Hollow World AI and AWW_Inc. And then they have a full link tree that actually just has a Telegram and Twitter link on it. If you click on the link tree there at Mirai_terminal. And this Twitter joined in December 2024 and has 21,200 followers. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain, and they just got a very big central exchange listing starting today. It is available right now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token would simply be go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MIRAI, and then simply just buy the token. And the token is available now on Mexc. So if you go to that link tree, you'll find a Telegram. Click on the Telegram. It has 1,192 subscribers. This is the community portal Telegram. And yeah, you could join that channel, and that's going to be a great place to see updates, partnership announcements, new token listings, you know, maybe memes, all sorts of fun stuff on there. And then if you're looking for this token, you can find it on SolScan, and you can find the chart on Bird Eye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Gecko Terminal, etc. So this pair was created 17 hours, 26 minutes ago on Meteora, according to Dex Screener. So this is a very brand new token, under 24 hours old. Now they have a market cap of $20 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. So it's a very big project. And it's up 57% right now, $2.4 million 24-hour trade volume. They've had 1,720 transactions in the past 24 hours. They have 7,889 holders. They have $490,000 worth of liquidity in Meteora. There is 6 decimal places on this token. It says first mint was May 15th, so just yesterday, according to their SolScan. Now, it looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, so right now the current supply is 999,999,907 tokens. Token price is almost 2 cents, 1.9 cents USD. And they do have a rug check link that we could find here on Oh, it says there is a warning on their rug check here. So let's check this out here. So one single holder here owns 22.98% of the tokens. So just be aware of that. It says 21% of the supply was sent to 10 wallets. So that's kind of sketchy too there. And then the pool on Meteora here is not locked. So it's an unlocked pool. So there is some warnings here on the rug check. So just be aware of that. The creator balance is also 23%. So I guess that's the single holder balance right there is the creator. So the creator owns like almost a quarter of the tokens. The Meteora pool is 5.96% of the tokens, which is unlocked. And then the other, everything else is less than 3.5%, all the other holders, but still pretty sketchy. The amount there, even the radium, there's a small radium pool, that's not even locked. So there's got 3 Meteora pools, one that's $2.2 million, one that's $622,000, one $489,000, and they're all unlocked. So definitely be aware of that. So I would definitely take this token with a grain of salt after seeing that rug check. Not all popular. I mean, this is obvious sentence, but not all popular projects are safe. So just because people are aping in on this project right now does not mean that it is safe. And according to the rug check, there's lots of risks. So definitely be aware of that. Now, if you did want to get this token in a decentralized way, you could get it off of Meteora or Radium by getting a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, Soulflare Phantom wallet. You would fund that wallet with Solana. Now, you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you would go into the dApps, you'd find a Meteora, then using the contract address that you could find on their Twitter there or on their SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc., you would trade your Sol for this token. Now, you probably won't have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. Right now, there's 1,797 pooled Sol in Meteora, which is equivalent to 8,948,753 pooled Mirai tokens. On their quick audit, it says no mintable tokens contract is not freezable. It says Mirai is an artificial intelligence virtual human by AWW Incorporated in partnership with Hollow World AI. Now, if you're familiar with AWW Incorporated and Hollow World AI and you trust them, I mean, that's one story, but the other story is that there's all these unlocked tokens and there's some warnings on the rug check, so just be aware of that. I mean, there is some other huge projects being listed today, tomorrow on Mexc Global that I'm doing videos on, so if this one is a little too sketchy for your liking, check out the other videos. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.